All right, good morning, class. Today we are talking about subtraction. Can we give a round of applause for subtraction? All right, this is the scoop on subtraction. So I have some ice cream scoops for you all that I want you to pay attention to with some rhymes that we use when we regroup. Because remember, my favorite math word is regrouping. All right, so when you are, when you are subtracting, like for example, 64 minus 23, if there is more on the top, there is no need to stop. Now say that with me. More on the top, no need to stop, which means we don't have to regroup, right? If I'm doing 4 and 3 here in the ones place, there's more, 4 is bigger, right? Yeah. There's more on the top. I don't need to stop and regroup. I can just go ahead and do 4 minus 3 is 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. Did y'all see how easy peasy lemon squeezy that was? Yeah. Now this is where we add in regrouping, so hang with me. Make sure that we are super focused. This next one says, more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. More on the floor, that just means on the bottom. So look over here, I have 4 minus 8. I can't take a bigger number from a smaller number, can I? No. All right, that means there's more on the floor. Instead of before we had more on the top, now we have more on the floor. So let's say, for example, Elizabeth, I'm going to give you some markers, okay? I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4 markers, okay? Now I want you to give Maddie 5 of those.
Can't.
What?
You can't.
No, Elizabeth, see, I gave you 4 markers. Now I want you to give Maddie 5 of them. You can't, why?
Because you can't take a bigger number from a smaller number.
Exactly. You cannot it does not work to say 4 minus 5. We can't do that. She can't give Maddie 5 markers, can she?
No.
All right. What if I said, give Jonathan 8 markers?
What?
Out of the ones I gave you, give him 8.
You can't.
I can't? What? Because you cannot take a bigger number from a smaller number. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So if there's more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Thank you for helping. All right, so what that looks like, if I have the tens place, and I'll get some I'll get some blocks out so we can see it with the blocks.
Yay.
I know, right? I love the blocks.
Yay. I love it. It's on this way to stop breaking.
All right. So if I have 6 tens blocks, ready? Well, do I have room to do that? Ooh.
Oh, at the bottom?
This will probably be better if I just show you with blocks. Anywho, if I have 6 tens blocks, right? I can cross it out and take one of those tens blocks and regroup it by breaking it into 10 tiny ones, right? Because a tens block is just made up of how many ones?
10.
So I'm going to take those 10 and give it to the 4. What is 10 plus 4?
14.
14. I love that math. So I have now 14 ones, and how many tens am I left with? Just 5. Is there more on the top now?
Yeah.
Yes, there's now more on the top because 14 is greater than 8, right?
Yeah.
And I know, think, 14 minus 8 is, any guesses?
10.
14 minus 8. Rylan?
6.
Close.
0.
6. Thank you, Mason. It is 6. Just like that. All right? Do y'all see how that works?
Yeah.
If I did 4 minus 8 to get the answer 4, would I be right? No, that's why I have to regroup, because if I put 4, the answer is wrong. All right, so we have to be super careful with our regrouping. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. 5 minus 2 is?
3.
3. So if so 64 minus 28 is?
36.
Good. If the digits are the same, then zero's the game. Say that one more time with me. If the digits are the same, zero's the game. Because 4 minus 4 is?
0.
All right, so Jonathan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now give PJ 4 markers. Thank you.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Now how many do you have?
0.
Okay, because if you do 4 minus 4, the answer is
0.
0. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So down here, 0 is the game. And then 6 minus 2 is 4, which means the answer is 40. All right, does that make sense?
Yes.
Yay! Awesome. Let's do some more examples with blocks. All right, you can hand me those markers. We can turn this off.